Alright, today we're going to go over the installation of the new JLT radiator sport cover for your 05 to 09 Mustang. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is remove the prop rod. This radiator support is all smoothed out. You are not going to use the prop rod anymore, so you will need to get hood lifters. We recommend the Redline Tuning hood lifters. We sell those on the website as well. 10 millimeter, knock this out. Now we need to get the factory support cover off. Take a regular flat blade screwdriver, pull up on the center pin, next we're going to remove the 10 millimeter bolts that hold the front of the bumper and the headlight. Now you can take the supplied alcohol wipe. We're going to clean this area of the radiator support cover off. Then you're going to take your supplied velcro strips and attach them to that. Remove the backing. You're going to take the cover, you're going to take the front strip, slide it into the grill. What I like to do first is get the bolts started. Make sure all your holes line up. These two holes here are the holes that are on the radiator hold down. If they're off, simply pull this back off. There's two 10 millimeter bolts on each one. You can adjust those anywhere to get lined up. And go ahead and reinstall the pins that's supplied with the kit. Press down into the velcro. It's going to help the center stay down. And then to cover up those ugly factory bolts, we've got these caps. Just take a mallet and tap them on.